The Naritva 20-in-1 bread maker offers a seamless baking experience, designed to bring both convenience and creativity into your kitchen. With 20 customizable programs, you can bake everything from basic white bread to gluten-free, cake, pizza dough, and even yogurt. It has a large 2-pound loaf capacity, perfect for serving families or guests. This machine allows you to select from 3 crust color options: light, medium, and dark, ensuring your bread is baked just the way you like it. Equipped with dual heaters, the Naritva bread maker provides 360-degree surrounding baking. The 550-watt high power ensures fast and efficient baking, shortening the process by over an hour while delivering evenly baked fluffy bread. Its user-friendly features include a 15-hour delay timer, so you can wake up to freshly baked bread. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. A sleek digital display simplifies operation with 5 cooking presets for everyday favorites. The Keep Warm mode ensures food stays at the ideal temperature until it's time to serve, adding a layer of convenience during busy evenings. In a busy kitchen, precision and speed matter, and the Panasonic MK-F510 food processor delivers both with ease. Designed for the modern home cook, it transforms food preparation from a chore into a smooth and efficient process. Whether you're prepping dinner for the family or tackling a weekend cooking marathon, this multitasking kitchen assistant adapts to your needs with power and finesse. Equipped with 9 versatile attachments, it's ready to handle everything from slicing vegetables to crafting perfectly cut French fries. Its 3-speed settings, high, low, and pulse, alongside a built-in safety lock, give you full control without compromise. Compact, consistent, and built to perform, this pasta maker brings fresh homemade pasta to your kitchen without the hassle. It automatically kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings of pasta in just 18 minutes, making it a time-saving tool for busy cooks who crave quality. Its uniquely designed stirring bar ensures efficient mixing, and the included shaping discs, spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine deliver smooth, uniform pasta with a double extrusion process. Custom pasta flavors are easy to create by switching flours or mixing in eggs, herbs, spinach, or carrot juice. Whether you're experimenting or keeping it traditional, this machine adapts to your taste. A 40-inch cord gives you flexible placement, and its space-saving profile means you won't need to store it away. Keep it on the counter, ready for action whenever inspiration strikes. A well-balanced kitchen isn't complete without a reliable tool for prepping fresh produce, and the Svebake stainless steel salad spinner answers that call with polished precision. Built with a 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl, this spinner brings both durability and capacity, letting you handle large batches of lettuce, spinach, or fruit without skipping a beat. Its transparent lid reveals the action inside, while the one-press stop button grants immediate control. No overspinning, no hassle. The BPA-free construction assures safe handling of everything from leafy greens to berries. A cleverly integrated drainage hole streamlines the rinsing process. Water flows out without removing the lid, keeping your prep area tidy. When the temperature climbs and cold refreshment is a must, this high-performance ice crusher steps in with purpose-built design and muscle. Engineered for speed and consistency, the Vivohome Electric Dual Blades Ice Crusher Shaver delivers finely shaved ice at a rate of up to 143 pounds per hour. The powerful electric motor teams up with ultra-sharp dual stainless steel blades to produce soft, fluffy snow ideal for slushies, cocktails, and frozen treats. With a simple adjustment, you control the texture, from fine to coarse, ensuring the perfect finish every time. Durability meets hygiene with food-grade stainless steel components that resist corrosion and clean easily. The high crusher body is paired with an elbow outlet that gives ample room for ice containers, enhancing usability. Escape the hassle of traditional stovetop cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus Whisper Quiet, your kitchen's new multitasking powerhouse. From early morning oatmeal to a rich evening stew, this all-in-one cooker transforms the way you prepare meals. Whether you're speeding up dinner or slow cooking comfort food, the Duo Plus handles it all. Boiled eggs in 4 minutes, creamy pastas in 5, or tender meats through sous vide or pressure cooking. Its 6-quart capacity serves up to 6 people, making it ideal for busy households, family gatherings, or weekend meal prep. Let go of constant stirring and pan swapping. With 25 smart cooking programs, a user-friendly display, and a real-time progress bar, even first-time cooks can feel confident. From early breakfast to late-night meals, this countertop powerhouse reshapes what your kitchen can do without taking over your entire counter. The Breville Smart Countertop Convection Oven with Element IQ system brings commercial-grade precision to your everyday cooking routine, cutting down cook times by up to 30% with its convection boost. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a highly capable kitchen assistant with 9 tailored cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. At the heart of this oven is Breville's Element IQ system, featuring 5 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms that direct heat where it's needed most. Precision and adaptability define the Thor TEC36 Lightning Boil Burner Cooktop. Built for culinary enthusiasts who demand both speed and finesse, this 36-inch electric cooktop offers advanced features that push everyday cooking into a more professional league. At its heart is the Lightning Boil Center Burner, engineered with 3 concentric rings that adapt to your needs. Gently melt chocolate using just the 6-inch ring or activate all rings to produce rapid heat for boiling water in under a minute. On the left, the Sync Burner function synchronizes 2 burners into a single, expansive heat zone, ideal for oversized cookware like 20-inch griddles or Dutch ovens. With a combined output of up to 3,800 watts, it distributes heat evenly without cold spots. Safety is seamlessly integrated as each zone includes an automatic shutoff timer to prevent scorching and reduce risks. Sous vide cooking meets precision engineering in a compact tool built for flavor perfection. The Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0 delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results by maintaining exact water temperature, locking in natural juices, and nutrients for meat, fish, vegetables, and more. With a temperature range of 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit and pinpoint accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes the guesswork out of doneness and eliminates the risk of overcooking. Sized at just 12.8 inches, the Nano fits in your drawer yet wields enough power to transform everyday meals into gourmet experiences. It securely clamps onto any standard container or stock pot, circulating water efficiently for even heat distribution. Weekend meals turn legendary when your outdoor setup includes this precision-engineered wood pellet grill. Designed to elevate your barbecue game, it delivers rich wood-fired flavor and unmatched consistency across its expansive 885 square inches of cooking space. Whether you're hosting a backyard feast or slow-smoking ribs for hours, this pellet smoker handles it all with ease. The integrated Wi-Fi technology syncs with your smartphone, giving you total command over temperature timers and even smoke levels without ever leaving your chair. Its advanced D2 controller ensures even heat distribution and rapid ignition, eliminating guesswork. Activate Super Smoke Mode to intensify flavor at the touch of a button, perfect for brisket, pork shoulder, or anything needing a deep, smoky profile. The Merchants barbecue gloves offer exceptional protection for grilling, cooking, and baking, making them the ideal choice for culinary enthusiasts. Designed to withstand intense heat, these gloves provide an added layer of security, whether you're handling hot grills, ovens, or stovetops. The heat-resistant material ensures that your hands stay safe even when exposed to temperatures reaching 932 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing burns during those high-temperature cooking sessions. Crafted with premium silicone, these gloves offer a superior grip, allowing for easy handling of utensils, pans, or trays without the fear of slipping. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. With a flushed-fit design, the Samsung NZ6 900TM blends seamlessly into your kitchen's aesthetic. The sleek, minimalist look integrates perfectly with your cabinetry, creating a clean and elegant appearance that's also easy to maintain. Its design allows for convenient access for cleaning and upkeep, ensuring long-term functionality. The Ruvati Dual Tier Pro 33-inch rounded corner workstation sink is an exceptional addition to modern kitchens, combining practicality with sleek design. This two-tiered undermount sink is crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel, providing superior durability and resistance to wear. Its rounded corners add a sophisticated touch, allowing for easy cleaning while maintaining a refined look. The dual-tier system enhances functionality by offering versatile spaces for both preparation and cleaning, ensuring an organized workflow. The sink's spacious design accommodates larger pots, pans, and dishes with ease, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The integrated workstation ledge enables seamless use of various accessories like cutting boards, colanders, and drying racks, all designed to fit within the sink's perimeter. The Nostalgia Retro Drink Maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency, allowing you to create everything from creamy milkshakes to lighter, frothy drinks. The 16-ounce stainless steel mixing cup is durable and easy to clean, while the mixing rod ensures even blending. Unlock the full potential of your citrus fruits with the Zulay Extra Large Lemon Squeezer, a tool designed to maximize juice extraction with minimal effort. This efficient juicer features a grooved bowl that enhances the squeezing process, ensuring that every drop of juice is captured. Its built-in strainer catches seeds and pulp, delivering smooth, clean juice every time. Perfect for those who love fresh lemonade or want to add a citrus zing to their dishes, this squeezer makes it quick and easy to get the job done. Space-saving and practical, the compact design of this lemon squeezer means no more bulky juicers cluttering your kitchen. It's simple to store, ensuring you always have it on hand when needed, without taking up much room. The Ivation Automatic Rechargeable Wine Opener offers an efficient, elegant solution for wine lovers. This sleek electric cork extractor makes uncorking bottles a breeze, providing convenience with every use. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it effortlessly uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge. The LED light indicator adds a touch of sophistication, making it easy to monitor the process. Its user-friendly design is complemented by the included USB charging cable, ensuring quick and easy recharges. This tool is perfect for those who frequently entertain or enjoy a glass of wine after a long day. Its automatic operation reduces the strain of manual cork pulling, while the bonus foil cutter ensures a smooth experience by easily removing wine bottle seals. Transform your movie nights with the Dash Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, designed to deliver fresh, delicious popcorn every time. With the ability to make up to 24 cups of popcorn, it brings the authentic theater experience into your home. When you're finished, simply store any leftovers with the included storage lid that seals in freshness. Space-saving design is a standout feature as the base nests neatly inside the bowl and the lid provides a secure closure for quick and clean storage. Its multifunctional lid comes with built-in measuring cups, making it easy to portion your kernels for different batch sizes, whether it's 8, 16, or the full 24 cups. The Cosori electric gooseneck kettle blends advanced functionality with sleek design, making it an essential tool for those who value precision in their brewing routine. With a 0.8-liter capacity, it efficiently meets the needs of pour-over coffee enthusiasts. Its 1200-watt heating element ensures quick boiling while maintaining accuracy to within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit, thanks to an intelligent base with a built-in temperature control program. This system adjusts the heating power to ensure water reaches the desired temperature, providing a consistent brewing experience every time. The kettle's 0.65mm gooseneck spout is crafted for precise water flow, allowing full control over pour speed, a key factor in crafting the perfect cup of pour-over coffee. The Emelar Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. This feature enhances its environmental sustainability while offering more reliable usage over time. The intuitive interface allows for easy switching between units, and the large, easy-to-read display ensures you can measure ingredients quickly and efficiently. Designed for versatility, the Emelar scale is not only perfect for cooking but also great for portion control or dietary needs.